In today's video, I'll show you on how you can download the Razer application for both mouse and keyboard. First things first, you want to head over to your Windows browser. You could be using something like Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or something like an Opera. Head over to google.com and you simply want to search for Razer Synapse download. Now we have multiple versions of Synapse, but you want to get the latest one. As of the moment, we have the Razer Synapse 4. So we want to head over to the official website of Razer, scroll down, and then you want to click on your specified operating system. We have Windows, we have Mac, and we have a beta version. You want to click on the download officials right here, and from there just install the application and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guide to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.